Hi, I'm Casey from US Tool and Fastener. So Festool just announced their spring 2020 lineup, and without a doubt, the most exciting part of that launch is the TID 18 Impact Driver. Now for those of you that cruise the fog like me, we've all seen the speculation about this tool since it popped up on the European Festool sites just a few months back. Now, Festool is calling this driver a powerhouse, so let's go over the specs and see how they back that up. Now the power behind this TID 18 is a new generation EC TEC brushless motor, and that's powered by the new 4.0 amp hour lithium-ion high power battery that Festool also just announced. These combined keep the weight low and the power high. The TID 18 has 3 speed levels to ensure the power and the speed you're using is tailored to the material that you're working on. First gear is going to take you up to 1200 RPM. Second gear is going to hit 2000 RPM. And third is going to get you all the way up to 3200 RPM. And I say up to because you can long pull this trigger, almost feathering your speed depending on the material you're working on and the fasteners that you're using. In third gear, you're clocking at almost 1600 inch-pounds of torque. That's 180 Newton meters for those of you living the metric life. Perhaps the most interesting feature is the T mode. The T mode is designed specifically for driving self-tapping screws. This is particularly helpful when attaching sheet metal to wood or a hard material to a soft material. The T mode automatically senses the difference once you pass through the sheet metal and lowers the speed when you hit the wood. Now, changing speeds or selecting the T mode is as simple as pushing a button. Tap the button once for first gear, twice for second gear, 3 times for third gear, and a 4th time to put you into T mode. Not only is this tool lighter and more compact than most other impact drivers on the market, but the TID 18 also has a unique safety feature. Inside is a kickback-free hammer mechanism that drives the fastener and prevents your wrist from flipping over with the tool. Now, we've all had that happen, where you're driving something and the tool wrenches and it pulls your wrist with it. Well, the TID 18 is designed to prevent that. Weighing in at just over 3 pounds, this is one of the lightest and most compact tools in its class. The TID 18 also features a tool-free chuck for 1/4-inch impact-rated bit holders and bits, integrated bit storage, and the same reversible belt clip that you'll find on most of Festool's other drills and drivers. The LED light on this tool is placed a little differently than you would expect. Sitting just above the battery, the LED shines up at an angle at the fastener you're driving instead of straight on, like on the other drills and drivers from Festool. My guess, this is going to minimize shadows and give you a better view of what you're trying to drive, maybe in tight spaces or shadowed areas. The TID 18 is also at the center of Festool's new combo kits and pro packs. By kitting it together with other cordless tools, there are some pretty great opportunities to save a ton of dough. Now that's not something we usually get to say when we're talking about Festool. So we'll be breaking down all of those combo kits and the pro packs in our next video. And of course, the TID 18 is also backed by Festool's 3-year comprehensive warranty. That covers wear and tear on the tool, the charger, and the battery. That's a warranty unmatched anywhere else in the tool world. To check out the TID 18 and other tools from this launch, hit the links in the description below or visit us at ustoolandfastener.com. Or just give us a shout at our 877-777-4717 number. We're always happy to talk about tools. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and build your best.